So basically, definitely the vision of the government around smart cities is good, and it's something which, the future is headed in that direction. But where the vision also has to be expanded, I'll tell. So currently when the government is working on a smart city level understanding and things like that, they're principally at the level of quantification of services. Right? What happens in a city? In a city, essentially, government offers several services to its citizens in something like electricity, water, security, and all these sort of services. So in the current phase of smart cities, where the entire ministries or everybody you see doing across the country is more got to do with, okay, how much electricity you consumed. So that once you build more quantification, you can build more awareness around it. That's what the vision of the future, the smart city is predominantly revolving around. But I feel we need to get into the phase 2 of it as well. The phase 2 involves a lot around walkability and reaching, and the impact of services, how quickly one can reach out to services. So our cities are not built around walkability. If you look across all cities, like Bombay, I've walked around in Bombay, and Bangalore, I keep visiting here, so I walk around Bangalore, Hyderabad. You just can't walk in our cities. One, either the footpath is encroached, or there is a big tree in the middle of footpath, there's no way to walk. Right now, the tree is mandatory because it provides shade. The problem is the footpath is only 6 feet wide. In several cases, that's non-existent. I think we need to have 15 to 20 feet footpath so that you can walk, and then the tree provides the shade. And most of the buildings, if you look at reasonable mid to high dense neighborhoods, you need a lot of the buildings in the ground and first floor to have mixed use zoning. Right? It can be a commercial shop. It can be something like a creche. A facility which is used by urban people a lot. It can be a supermarket. It can be anything on earth. We don't know what it is. So we need to create the mixed use zoning and bring in the walkability. That will greatly enhance the livability quotient in the city. So this is something I feel should be picked up in our smart city mission. It's not just around efficient utilization of resources like electricity and water and sewage. It should be around the entire quality of life, well-being, walkability. Because see, what we don't realize is mental life is hugely impacted by the space. It's just that we don't attribute it to that.